Hey dear users, welcome to the Agile Store Locator Plugin tutorial. Today, we're going to explore how to use Data WPML features in the Agile Store Locator plugin, and how to display particular language data. In this video, we'll see how Data WPML feature works, how to display different language data on the website in multiple languages. Let's now start exploring Data WPML feature in Agile Store Locator plugin. To use the Data WPML features, click on the ASL settings. Inside the ASL settings dashboard, scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the Data WPML feature. This feature enables the multiple language drop-down menus on the following pages: Stores, Brands, Categories, Specialties. The data in each of these sections can be changed using the multiple language drop-down menus. Let's suppose we need to display English language data on the Manage Store dashboard. To display it, we'll need to select the English language from the drop menu. Here you can see all the English language store data. To display the English language store data on the website, we'll need to create a page and add our store locator shortcode as well. Let's now create the page. Let's give page a name and also add store locator shortcode to it. For the sake of saving time, I've already written the store locator shortcut. Let's now paste it into the page. And update the page to display store locator with English language data. Now let's view the page. Here you can see all the English language store data showing. That's all from this educational tutorial. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Until then, goodbye.